Hey guys, it's Elena, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these amazing, gigantic chocolate chip cookies that are chewy on the inside and crunchy on the outside. They're super easy to make and only take about 12 to 13 minutes in the oven, so I think you guys are definitely going to love these cookies. In my bowl, I have 3 cups and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and I'm just adding the baking soda, baking powder, and some salt and mixing that all together until it's combined. And just set this bowl aside for later. Then just take 2 sticks of cold butter and cut them up into cubes. And I'm just mixing this all together until it's light and fluffy. And once your butter's done mixing, you can add in your brown sugar and granulated sugar and just mix that together for about 1 to 2 minutes until the sugar has dissolved into the butter. And once your sugars are all mixed in, I'm just going in and scraping down the sides with a rubber spatula. And then I'm adding in the eggs and vanilla extract and mixing it all together. And then once everything is fully mixed in, you're just going to add in your flour little by little until the dough forms. And finally, we're going to be adding in our chocolate chips. So I'm using about 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I'm just mixing that all together with a rubber spatula. Then I'm taking enough cookie dough to fit the palm of my hand, and I'm very loosely shaping it into a ball. This step is really important because if you pack it together or if you roll it into a ball, it's not going to come out loose and gooey and chewy on the inside just like we want it to. And now I'm just continuing to kind of loosen up the dough as I place it on the baking sheet because I really want to make sure that they're not packed together in any way. Then you're just going to bake these cookies for about 11 to 14 minutes at 415 degrees Fahrenheit. And you want to make sure that you do not overbake these cookies because if you do, they're going to come out really dry. And we want these cookies to be chewy and kind of gooey on the inside, so if anything, it's better to underbake them. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I really do hope that you end up making these cookies because once you make these cookies, you're never going to want to make any other cookie recipe again. Like, these are chewy on the inside, crunchy on the outside. They melt in your mouth. Like, there's no going back. There really isn't. So I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And feel free to comment down below any suggestions of future recipes you want me to make.